Hey there, Dave with Rain Networks. Wanted to go over just some basic portal navigation for DataMotion. When you log in here, and the portal is right up here above, https://ssl.datamotion.com. When you log on here, it's going to show you your inbox. I don't have anything in mind right now. You can also look at your tracked sent items, things that you've sent out or responded back. The other kind of things you could look at in here are a lot of people like this securecontact.me. What this is it's your personalized link here, which is right below. And people put this in their signature like that. So that way anybody you email could start a secure message with you. So there is that. That's that one there too. And then just sending a general email. If I come back to Member Center, I just click on Compose, input uh, your email address is in there that you want to send to. Write a subject for the subject line, and then we'll just do tests. And you would just send that like normal. That's sending, right? Pretty basic. The other thing you can look at here is your preferences. We will do another video going over some of these, but just to look at if you want your message expiration seems to be the biggest one to do. Let me just close that. Sorry. And yeah, message expiration. A lot of people like to put this to like a year or so. But just know that if you keep it for a year, you do have space on the platform. So some folks will get a message saying, "Hey, you exceeded your space because your retention is so long." Right. So just be wary of that. Also in here too, you could go back to the classic version. I like the newer version personally, but if we just go back to the classic version, if you're seeing this might look more familiar. So, and they have all the same things in here: compose, track information, preferences, client downloads is the button there. And administrative tools is if you are managing a company, you might not have this in there. Just all depends on who's accessing the client, right? So, awesome. I just wanted to make this quick video. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks.